Welcome to our Google Drive tutorial. In order to do this tutorial, I've enlisted the help of my daughter, Sophie. She's waving right now. She's going to play along as we learn about Google Drive, and we're going to use it to create a small short story and show you how Google Drive works. So here I am in my school issue Gmail account. And what I want to do first is show you that up here in this top menu bar you will find the Google Drive. Google Drive is a storage space in the clouds offered by Google. They give us 5 gigabytes of storage data for free, and that's where we can store a lot of our projects that we work on this year. It's also the spot where we can create documents that we can share with each other. So our documents, you see I have a lot of documents, I have a lot of things saved in here. Our documents, to create a new document, we use this button right here, and what Sophie and I are going to do is just do a simple document, text document, to create a story. So the first step is for someone in your group, and in this case it's me, to create a new document, and we're going to write a story. I don't know what the content's going to be yet, but our story is going to go on this page right here. So I've got it started. Notice right now it's an untitled document. I can title this document, going file, and rename. And the title of our document would be Our Shared Short Story. And I'm going to say OK. And the name in the title bar has changed, and now I want to share it with Sophie. So I'm going to go over here to the far right, and this is our share button. Notice right now it's locked, and when it's locked it's private to me only. But I'm going to open that up, and it gives me a link here with it. I just send this link to her, she could access the document, but I'm going to go down and enter her name. She's using my wife's email account. So we're going to send this to julie.morlock@gmail.com. I'm going to share and save. And I'm going to give Sophie a little message here. Let's write a story together. And I'm going to say share. And when I hit that share, it's going to ask me, are you sure? She's not in my organization. Now, you are going to be in the same organization, so you don't need to worry about this. It's not going to affect you at all. You probably won't get this message. I'm going to say sure. Share it. And then I'm going to say done. At this point, I'm going to wait for Sophie to say hi on my screen, because I think she has a new message in her email account saying that there's a shared document. So we're just working on a technical glitch right here. It looks like she has her story up in her Gmail account now. It came through in Gmail. So it won't come through in Drive. It probably will, but she opened it from her Gmail account, and now look, she's marked, she's in on my story, and I'm going to say hi Sophie. And I'm going to say thanks for helping us today. And I'll see if she writes me something back. And oh, there she goes. Looks like she's writing. Hit enter and write me a message. Good. So Sophie has said hello, Dad. So I'm going to come in here, and notice how it's you can actually see in real time the story change. What should we write about? Sophie? Let's see what she thinks. Sophie's typing now. You can see, I can see her on my screen. How about a frog named Toby? Sure. There once was a frog named Toby. Toby lived in the clouds. All right, let's see if Sophie can give us the next line of our story. All right, so here she goes. There was a town in the clouds called Toadville. Okay. In Toadville, Toby was often very sad. See what she comes up with next. Toby cloud raced. Toby cloud raced, but he never won a race. Against his rival Toadsy. Let's see what I can come up with. Toadsy was a very powerful cloud racer, and Toby just couldn't keep up. So here she goes. But one day, Toby overheard and Toadsy's friend, oh boy. Sophie's really writing a lot now. I have a special potion to make me lighter and faster. Looks like Sophie's gonna fix her thing. Okay. What a cool thing. Well, I'm going to write one more line and then we're going to finish off our story. So, Toby made it his mission to find out just what was in that special potion. Thanks for helping, Sophie. Bye now. See ya. All right, let's see if this... I don't think it was recording, honey.
Seriously?